Hello guys, and welcome to our channel this day. Have you been looking for a way to download and get CapCut Pro for free? Well, in this video today, we'll be showing you how you can get CapCut Pro for free for your video editing and for your video editing journey. We'll be back after the short intro. The simple truth is that you cannot get the CapCut Pro for free right now. It is true that many people have been looking for ways to get the CapCut Pro version for free. Even I myself, I have also looked for many ways to get the CapCut Pro for free. But for now, you can't get the CapCut Pro version for free. And so, to get the CapCut Pro version for free, you need to first of all go to this platform. Just for the sake of this video, we already went onto the platform, and to get the CapCut for free, you need to first of all come to this platform. Then you search for CapCut on this platform. You search. And you enter the application. You enter the CapCut. Well, when you enter here, you will see they have written down here, get the latest version of the CapCut Pro, of the CapCut. When you get the latest version that you will download will be the latest version that has been updated recently, and this version of CapCut has everything in it in Pro version. And if you are getting this latest version, then you are getting the wrong version, because this is exactly where the secret of getting the CapCut Pro. This is where the secret of getting CapCut for free lies. And so if you download the latest version, then you are wasting your time. So what you will do is that you will go to this tab that is showing just here, and you enter into the old versions. Here you see all the previous versions of CapCut that this platform has uploaded right from the very first day CapCut was uploaded. You can see February 2025, you can see December 2024, October, September, August. So what you will do is that you go right down and you look for this version. This version 1.4.0.188. This is the version where we advise you to download, because we have tried and downloaded the other versions, and most of them at a certain point will require some Pro versions. So this version is a version where you will be able to use all the features freely and edit your softwares, edit your videos and everything, and be able to download them for free. So what you do is that you enter this version, and then you just come and then you will download. But before downloading, you wait that issue. As it is like this, you can now download it from here. After downloading, you can be able to manipulate your CapCut very well, as much as you like. But just for the sake of this video, we already downloaded this version of CapCut, and we will just open it for us to show you how it works. Okay, this is it. You can just quickly click on start creating. And as you can see here, okay, and as you can see here, you won't have to suffer the Pro version downloads. You don't need to download what you want to use, and then you use them and you are free to go. Okay guys, and it is quite true that the process can be long and tedious for some people. So what did we do? what we did was that we have a written article, and that we already explained everything, and we have provided a direct link where you can just easily go and download it from there. You can just easily go and download it from there, and you just, after downloading it, you just start using, you just install your application and start using, and we have explained everything you need to know in this article. Okay guys, here comes the end of this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us some thumbs up, then hit the comment section and hit the subscribe button for more videos as such.